Hi friends, today I'll be going to show how to prepare chicken biryani with bundi raita. First, I will show you how to marinate the chicken. I have taken 500 gram chicken, 2 tablespoon ghee, 1 lime juice, 1 onion fried, salt to a marination, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 5 to 6 green chilies, 1.5 inch of ginger, 100 gram curd, 2 tablespoon oil. I have used which these onions were fried. This 2 tablespoon oil. For masala I use 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon biryani powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon malwani masala, 1 teaspoon quarter teaspoon kasturi methi. Now I will take this ginger, garlic and chili. I will put into the blender and close grind it. Chili, garlic, ginger, which was in whole, I close grinded it for marination. Add salt. Add all the masalas. Add curd. Lime juice. Fried onions. Oil. Ghee. Mix all this together. So the chicken marination is already done. We can do this marination. We have to do this marination before 2 hours, or you can do previous night. For gravy, I use 3 onions, whole garam masala, in this bay leaves and all the garam masala, 3 big onions, salt and water for cooking. Rice I took half kilo. I washed it and I kept it. 3 onions for garnishing. Quarter teaspoon chai jeera, 1 teaspoon lime, oil, salt, whole garam masala, coriander leaves, mint leaves, saffron. I dissolve in milk. Now I kept water for boiling. I'll cook the rice. I took a pot. I took 1 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon ghee. I'll add the whole garam masala. Add 3 onions to fry nicely. While the onions are getting fried, I will put whole garam masala in the water. Sai jeera. I'll add rice, which was washed and soaked. Add salt. Add lime juice. Add 1 tablespoon oil. While cooking, the rice must not cook full. It will be half done. Stir it nicely. We add lime juice in the rice so that the rice does not break. While the rice is being cooked, we are starting doing the chicken gravy. So hi friends, the rice is cooked only 80%, not 100%. Now I'll remove the water, strain the water from the rice. It must be like that. We strain the rice, and the rice is done 80%. Meanwhile, the onions are getting fried. The onions are fried. We'll add a marinated chicken into the onions. Friends, it was marinated for 2 hours, the chicken. But if you marinate before that, it tastes more better. Stir up nicely. Close the lid. Let it cook for some time. Keep the gas on a slow flame and let it cook for some time. So the chicken is almost half done. Now I will add tomatoes to this gravy. Add salt and cook till it is dry. I'll close the lid so the chicken will be cooked on a slow medium gas. So friends, the chicken is done. You just remove it out to check it, to taste the proper whether the salt is there or not. You can remove one piece and the gravy to check it. If it is less, you can add the salt. Add rice on the top of the gravy. Add the next layer of the chicken. Add few onions. Add coriander leaves. Few mint leaves. Add the remaining rice on the layer. Add the remaining onions. Add coriander leaves. Add mint leaves. Saffron soaked in milk. Add that. Close the lid. Cook on a slow flame. Hi friends, the biryani which was kept to cook for on the slow gas, it took nearly 20 minutes and it is almost done. Meanwhile, the biryani is done. I will show you how to prepare bundi raita. I have taken 200 gram curd, 1 bowl of salted bundi, water, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, salt, 2 teaspoon of sugar, coriander leaves, chili and ginger, 3 green chilies small and small piece of ginger. I ground it into a powder and made a small paste. Beat the curd nicely. Add ginger and green chili paste. Salt. Sugar. Add little water. Add bundi while you are serving, not before that, so it becomes soft. Add coriander leaves. Mix it nicely. Garnish it with chili powder and roasted cumin powder. So the bundi raita is ready to serve. So chicken biryani is ready to serve. Hi friends, my chicken biryani with bundi raita is ready to serve. Please do share this recipe, try this recipe, press like button, and please do not forget to put your like button and share my channel. Thank you friends.